Welcome to WhatGear Reviews. Consider subscribing if you like tech reviews and loads of other tech related stuff. But today I'm checking out the Sony booth here at the H.ear, and these are the brand new H.ear 3 headphones from Sony. So these are like the little brother to the 1000XM3, the WH-1000XM3s. I thought the 4s were coming this year, but I guess maybe closer to Christmas. But anyway, these ones are a lot smaller than the 1000XM3s, and they're going to be cheaper as well. But they still have some of the awesome qualities of the 1000XM3s. For example, high-res audio. It's got the same noise cancelling processing going on inside the headphones. So when I put these on here, the noise cancelling is really amazing. It's noisy here today, but these are blocking out all of that background noise. The ear cups are slightly smaller. You still got the option to use the headphone jack, even though Sony's phones don't have headphone jacks anymore. USB-C charging. The drivers inside the H.ear 3 headphones are now 25mm HD drivers. One of the coolest things about these headphones though is the color range that they have. So there's 5 different colors. I actually really like this blue color here. It's got a really nice matte finish. It's not really a faux leather effect this time. It's just this really nice matted finish. Once again, you've got NFC on the side, so you can connect your devices just by touching it to the side of the ear cup here on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you have the touch controls again. And these are on par with the 1000XM3s. They work the same way, swipe up and down, left and right. And also, if you put your hand over the ear cup, it's going to mute the sound so you can hear your surroundings. And also, you've got a button to activate the Google Assistant or switch between the noise cancelling modes that these headphones have. And I must admit, after just listening to them here, they're really impressive. I still love my 1000XM3s, but if you're in the market for the 1000XM3s, but maybe you think they're a bit too expensive, then these are exactly what you should be looking at, because honestly, they're awesome headphones. And I hope you guys enjoyed this first look at the new Sony H.ear 3 headphones. If you want to check out more stuff from the H.ear, there's thumbnails on screen right now, and if you just subscribe, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. See you in the next one. Don't be late.